It's the cool early morning, and the sun is just starting to peek over the horizon. Meet our adventurers, Percy and Whisker, embarking on a mission to construct a dew collector. Their goal? To gather enough dew to create a refreshing summer surprise. Although they're experts in many things, they quickly find out that dew collection comes with its own set of challenges. Laughs ensue as Percy, the ever-optimistic brainiac, incessantly juggles between manuals and diagrams, while Whisker, the plucky sidekick, tries to balance precariously on a stepladder, clinging to a shiny, gigantic leaf. As their improvisations lead to chaotic hilarity, they discover that working with nature isn't as easy as they thought. Whether it's Whisker slipping on a makeshift funnel or Percy's futile attempts at predicting dew points, the journey to their refreshing treat is no easy task. Yet, in the face of their amusing mishaps, they find joy and learn to appreciate the simple marvels of nature.